So hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how you can run a new Angular application also as well an existing application. So you can see on your screen there is a Visual Studio Code open. You can open your familiar application also, editor also. I have created a folder Angular, and in this folder Angular we I have opened this Visual Studio Code. So you can open your familiar editor in any folder you can create. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to open a terminal in the path where you have to generate a new application. So new application I'm going to generate in Angular folder. So in Visual Studio Code we have a built-in Angular, we have a built-in terminal. So I'm going to open it. So you can see so you have to make sure that your terminal open the same folder that you have to run the Angular applications, Angular new application. So in this video I am right in the path. So I am going to create a new application, ng new hello world. Okay, let's space enter. So if you would to you like to generate Angular routing, that would be helpful for your Angular application in future. So I'll making a yes. So if you have a great knowledge about CSS, you can go with that. I have a great knowledge of CSS. I don't familiar with SCSS SAS. If you are familiar with SAS SCSS, you can go with that. So I'm going to go with CSS. Okay, so you can take a look at, we have successfully created hello world app, package installed successfully, all package are installed successfully. Here you can skip this warning, this is a normal warning, you can skip it. So this is only a git commands also. So we are going to hello world app, cd hello world app. Now we are in a folder of hello world app where our Angular application are generated in this folder. So we are going to run a command ngserve. This is the very first command you have to generate. If you have existing Angular application, if you don't have a folder node modules, please run command npm install. There is a require node modules. If you don't have node modules, there will be error given by directive serving ngserve. You can take a look at on your screen the Angular the Angular web app application compiled successfully. Now you can see Angular live development server is listening on localhost 42. So by default it will run your application localhost 42. So you can also run this custom port. I will tell you in upcoming videos. So first take a look at this. Okay, let's close other tabs on Microsoft. Okay, so here you can see the Angular hello world app is running. Yeah, so we have successfully running a hello world application. So first you need to not deep understanding, a simple understanding how the Angular application works. Also we are I'm going to take a look at it, Angular application where these modules are in. So first we are take a basic look on modules. There is a modules Angular app module import export. In modules we have a import export. We can import any module in, or we can export. So we can make a different modules, like user module is different for and users, and we can make a admin module different in my app, in the app. So here you can take a look at this. So after the what is a component? We in component we define HTML code and TypeScript code. Also we have a very helpful directives we can use in the component. This component will view on the web on the website. We can take a look at in upcoming videos how the components works. So first my application have generated a app component. Your application also generated a if you have a new application, the app component is generated in your application. So component control, how the component controlled. So first we have a root component. If we delete root component, we can't control this all other component. So root component is vital for our Angular applications. So we can generate this one module have a root component. We can also generate a multiple modules in our application. So these multiple modules has to be needs to be declare in main module. What is the name is app module. So in this component we have a HTML template or classes, other classes. So we in modules we have a business logic. In services also we have a business logic. How the business logic, the business logic is you have a CRUD. Like if you have a 400 error, 500 error, then you show in your application 500 error has been covered. So you can in services also you can make a get request, post request and other as well. So Angular architecture summary, I will tell you the Angular architecture how it's work. We can make one or more modules for in Angular application. We can, for example, we can make for user application, user module. We can make a manager module, admin module. We can make all modules others that will more make a clear component look in the Angular application. Normal people also can understand how this Angular application works. So we have covered the basic of Angular, how an Angular application works. So here you can see a package.json. In package.json we have you have seen the dependency installed. You can see the dependency which we require to run an Angular application, compiler, form, platform. We can also see a dev dependency. In dev dependency we can install any package that we need in futures. Like there is a wonderful package out there which name is, you can install a multi sorry you can also install a library multi material Angular, which will help you to easy to make a functionality. Like if you want to show a multi selector, multi drop down selector, you can install the library, third party library also as well. This will help you in Angular developing a Angular easy and in a right way. So you can see all the dependency. Or in script you can also run npm start to start your application. By default it will has a ng-serve. You can run ng-serve. You can also see ng-build. It will help you to run your application development to production server. In upcoming videos we will also cover how you can build or how you can live your application on a server. So here you can see main.ts file. When we are calling a ng-serve, this file is calling app module.ts. Here you can see app module. This is a vital part for Angular application. If this app module is not there, then your application will won't work. So this also a main file. This will and this is also. So here you can see app.component.html. We can see hello world, h find control f, hello Okay, there is no hello world, no problem. Here you can see in app component.html there is a definer title. This is a dynamic asynchronous program. In app component.tss ts this is a this directive is defined already. So in browser you can see hello world app is running. If we make a change hello Anmol, you can see your compiled application recompiled and bring up a new changes on a browser. So here you can see hello and mole app is running. So I'm making a changes after control as it automatically catch and recompile the Angular application and show a brand new changes. Here the Angular application works, how it works. So here you can see title app is running, hello and mole app is running. You can also define your css in app component.css. In upcoming video we make a new modules and how the routing works. In upcoming videos I will tell you.